Hello everyone. Today's tech news is Number 1. 500 drones will form a giant Candy Crush ad above NYC tonight. A depressing bat signal for obnoxious marketing. Number 2. Elon Musk's first Hyperloop tunnel in California is gone. The test tunnel that hosted student competitions in 2018 and 2019 has been removed and replaced with parking spots for SpaceX employees. Number 3. VR is still too expensive. Now that we're finally seeing actual prices for the next generation of VR headsets, I'm finding the sticker shock to be tough to swallow. Number 4. The next attempt to launch the Artemis I mission will be at night. The rocket will begin rolling back out to launch pad 39B just after midnight on Friday, November 4th. Number 5. AMD's next-gen RX 7900 XTX and XT GPUs start at $899, launch December 13th. RDNA 3 is here, and it brings AMD's chiplet architecture to gaming GPUs. The company's promising big improvements to 4K performance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more information.